What a marvelous country we call home. Adventure and beauty await at every turn. Discover the vast, endless country roads in style with Royal Flair Caravans. Travel through lush landscapes and picturesque towns with unparalleled quality, comfort, and flair. Venture into the heart of the outback, where Royal Flair Caravans offer a home away from home, providing all the comforts you could wish for. From the rugged beauty of the desert and Uluru majestic presence to the expansive open skies, experience the outback with ultimate ease and pleasure. Marvel at Australia's breathtaking coastlines. With Royal Flair Caravans, wake up to stunning ocean views and enjoy our golden beaches and crystal clear waters. And let's not forget the incredible wildlife synonymous with Australia. Cuddly koalas, bouncing kangaroos, and vibrant bird life. Royal Flair Caravans bring you closer to experiencing Australia's unique wildlife in unmatched comfort and style. So pack your bags and hit the road with Royal Flair Caravans and uncover the wonders of our country roads, the grandeur of the outback, the beauty of the coast, and the charm of our wildlife. Experience Australia like never before. Adventure awaits. Arrive in Flair. Stay in luxury with Royal Flair.